This video lesson, there is going to be an interesting aspect called the modal shift of the tonic note or the Adhara Shruti, Adhara Shadja, as it is called in Indian music. How you shift the Shadja position to another note in a given scale, and then the interval between the notes in the chosen scale is going to be the same. So when you shift the tonic note, the other notes get shifted to a different frequency level, and then resulting in a different mode or a different raga or a different scale. And if it is a septatonic or the seven note scale, then you get a seven note scale, the resultant. And if it is a five note pentatonic or the Audava raga, then you get a Audava scale. And if it is a Shadava or the sextatonic scale, then you get a six tone or the Shadava raga. But musically, it depends upon the harmonics and the frequency, whether how singable it is.